CM, what is that outfit you're wearing today? What is that outfit? Are you going out tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wearing a jumpsuit, leopard.
Oh, what is that?
Melon. Melon
Oh,
shake.
melon shake. Okay. Nice choice, Mary. All pinkish.
Basic.
Okay.
Modern.
Here's a menu card.
Weather.
There's a menu card. Breakfast, house specialties in Zarapoy. My choices. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I value my tummy too much. Oh yeah. That's it. Now the food has arrived. Oh, I don't care.
Nindot sa silang tingog mo. Hello guys. We just got in. Nandito kami ngayon sa sa resort na. Hindi siya resort, parang hotel lang siya. And it's really cheap, walk-in heaven. And 1,300 for this room. Saan bang There you go. Not so lighted man. So ito yung room nila, green na green. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo guys, 1,300 dito sa Boracay. Tapos parang hindi sila nakikita online. Nag-stop lang kami ng Alona. Tapos after nun, nag-stop kami ng Alona. Tapos nag-walk-in lang kami. Let's see. So, dalawa yung bed. One queen bed. Tapos isang single. Tapos may pa sila, pa-design. There you go. And then my cabinet, my table, my big mirror, ako yan, TV, asan yun to? Oh, yan, mama ko, sis-in-law ko, brother ko na, he belong, green, green. Yon.
Tulita na po niyo akong agtang.
Ano, ito ilang toilet, be? Uy, gamay man. Dako kayo mo apod. Mo nilang toilet green kaayo. Ito. Pero okay na siya, oy. For its price, 1,300. Super, worth it. So, yun yung room tour dito sa Walk-in Heaven. At may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rooms sila. 4 na malalaki at isang maliliit.
Welcome back. We're in Bohol and we've been sleeping in Bohol. We've been so tired in Bohol. We have not been doing anything in Bohol. We have not watched the chocolate hills, the small monkeys, the snake. We've been sleeping. We've been so tired. Sleeping, eating, swimming. That's it. Relaxing. And that's also nice. That's our Bohol experience. I have to say Bohol is developing very much. There's a lot of building. There's a lot of things going on here. Am I for it or against it? I think it's losing its charm a little bit for me, to be honest. But yeah, that's just me. So it's still a nice place. It's still, but yeah, I think it was better the first few times I came here. But that's it for me.
Was it
That's
last
it.
year better than this year?
Last year was complicated for other reasons. But the first time I was here, it was better. That's it.
Lakad-lakad dito sa Bohol. Dami na ding nagko-close na mga establishments. Close. Asa na ba taon yung yung restaurant na yun? There we go. Daming motor-motor, guys.
You're getting excited.
No, I'm not. I think it's too much of a walk just to get a pizza. Yeah. Last night na namin dito sa Bohol. It's our last night in Bohol. And tomorrow, we're gonna be back to Cebu City and then travel to Camotes. What are you doing, Oi? Are you drunk?
Not yet.
Mao ni siyang view dili ha. Papa ng mama. Naami din sa restaurant called Lamoy. My brother holding the forehead. Dako chuchag agtang, dako kayo.
Okay kayo. Mahal kayo.
Mahal kayo.
Kung magnegosyo ka diri kay ganito ang ingong niya.
Magnegosyo kag pagkaon.
Kung magnegosyo ka pag-aon, pare-pareha lang ni mo diri, pareha lang kalami niya. Ubusan ra ni mo presyo. Wala sikat na kayo diri. Kalit na kagadatong.
Atod kay no. Nagpila to large siya ng
Pakita ni, pakita. Oh. Pork barbecue, unong ka stick. 328, solar siya, tag 15 ang buo, 90 ra tanan.
Ote, grabe. Pero ilan na ko mga turista man natin niya, mga customer mostly mga foreigners. So ilang earnings din.
Ikaw magnegosyo ka diri niya. Hindi mo lang ibuta ang pork barbecue unong ka buo 200. Daog mo na.
Pero lang po makunahon na kung barato lang presyo awan na ilang meat.
Siyempre, pre-taste. Una, pre-taste. Olive, kwanza ka ng first day, kay libre tanan.
Oo, daw ko gini.
It's made.
Ito, magano ba explanation mo? Sakto-sakto ng idea, sakto. In the future na lang, in the future.
Once again, we are in Bohol. We're eating. Families here. They're eating. The battle waiting. I've already been eating. So I don't want this kind of food. I'm not into Filipino food. And I was very hungry earlier. But here we go. What is this? What is this? See, going to this one. We got vegetables, we got rice, we got other vegetables, we got soup, and we got the father chewing at the same time of serving himself. Multitasking. The brother doesn't know what's going on, and the wife wife of the brother is eating slowly but steady. Oh, eating so
Eating
slowly.
slowly but steady.
So the flying mode of the table. It's going like this. Well, here comes Charlie. What does Charlie bring for us? Charlie have beer for us. That's why we love Charlie. Charlie is the man of the hour. We do love Charlie. We love Charlie.